Hey folks, if you're watching this, chances are you're a grower too, or at least someone who respects the land, the work, and the rhythm of the seasons. And let me tell you straight, this May didn't come gentle. She rolled in cold, heavy, and soaking wet. Not just a drizzle, but a deep, bone-chilling damp that clings to your clothes and your crops alike. And that kind of weather, it's no joke. It stunts seedlings, drowns roots, invites mold, and turns healthy soil into sludge. But here's the thing, after 2 decades of working this earth, I've learned you don't just stand by, you adapt, you act. So today I'm showing you my go-to fix, a natural remedy I mix up whenever nature fights dirty. 3 simple ingredients, safe for your soil, strong for your plants, and easy to make right at home. But before we dive into the how, let's take a closer look at what exactly we're up against. You don't need fancy labels or costly solutions. Just 3 simple ingredients straight from nature in your kitchen. First, gather 4 liters of soft, clean rainwater. It's free of harsh chemicals and perfect for your plants. Then, mix in half a liter of fresh milk. Packed with calcium and other nutrients, it forms a gentle shield against disease and pests. Finally, add 5 drops of povidone iodine. This tiny dose fights off harmful microbes and boosts plant vitality. Stir gently, spray weekly, and watch your garden thrive naturally. First, I gently spray the broad green leaves of the cucumber and tomato plants with a fine mist. I make sure to coat them evenly, covering both the tops and undersides until a thin white layer appears. That subtle change means the milk film has formed, a natural, nourishing shield. Next, I water the base of each plant using the second container, soaking the soil deeply. This gives the roots a rich drink, completing the treatment from the ground up. In just a few days, you'll notice the difference. Brighter leaves, faster growth, more blossoms, and stronger fruit. If this video brought you even a spark of hope, a bit of knowledge, or the strength to keep planting seeds, please take a second, follow and tap that bell. It truly means the world.